Hey guys, welcome back. How are you? Welcome to Obsessive Crochet Lady. I'm Amanda. I forgot my intro. Oh my goodness. Woo! I know, I'm a nutcase, but it's okay. So, this is the third video I am recording today. Not of the same content, but it is the third video I am recording back to back to back. Oh, and speaking of backs, my back is killing me from this chair. But it is a-okay. I do it for you guys. Now my hubby is home, so it is easier just to record in the spare bedroom. Yeah, a lot easier. Anywho, you didn't see that. You did not see that. There you go. Well, sorry for the jiggles. Anywho, welcome into all of my returners and welcome into all of my newbies. I appreciate every single one of you guys. So, as you can see from the title and the thumbnail, today, drumroll, is Twisted Thursday Mandala Madness. Now, what is Twisted Thursday Mandala Madness, may you ask, if you are new here? So, myself and the lovely Missi from Missi's Yarniverse and More wanted to do a collaboration, and after much deliberation, we figured we were going to do a blanket. That kind of came out to be as I wanted to do a blanket with some Christmas colors, because I had just bought some Christmas cakes from the Knitting Network, and I wanted to make a blanket. And then Missy was like, ooh, maybe we can make a blanket together. And after a little while of talking and checking out multiple blankets, I was like, well, I've done the Mandala Madness a couple times and it's awesome, and I know you're like me and you like detail. It has a lot of detail. So we decided to do the Mandala Madness. Now, she was going to do hers in her favorite color of mandala cakes, which is kind of funny. The colorway in Nifflers. And that is also one of my favorite colors. And I was like, but if you're gonna do that, I'm gonna want to do that. So then she was like, but see, now you're making me want to do one in Christmas colors. So the reason it's called Twisted Thursday, because we are twisted in the head and we are making two Mandala Madness blankets at the same time. Now, we wanted this to crochet along to be no stress, very laid back. Like I said before, this new year, the end of the year and the new year is all about crochet that I enjoy. And if I don't enjoy it, I'm not going to make it. Plain and simple. And so we decided we are not going to do any more than 5 rounds per week per blanket. If we get 1 stitch done, cool. If we get all 5 rounds done, cool. But there is no pressure. There's just be no pressure. And if you guys want to join us, we are still early on. You can catch up really quick. But if you're making a different blanket and you want to show us progress on your blanket, send us a picture. My email will be linked below, and Missy's email is linked in her videos. So if you guys would like to show us progress on a blanket you are making, just let us know. You don't have to make the same blanket, but if you want to make the same blanket, we would love to see them as well. So I'm trying to get comfortable. This chair is not the best chair, especially when you have back problems, but we're trying, right? We're trying. This is why I typically don't record in here. I know you guys prefer to see all the beautiful yarn, and I want to give you that, but it's just kind of how the cookie crumbles a little bit. But anywho, so I know I still need to figure out what I'm going to do with my prism yarn. It's so pretty. Anyways, I know, squirrel moment, all looking at all my yarn. I'm like, it's so pretty. Yeah, anyways, so the rounds that are this week, we were supposed to do were round 26 through 30. So 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And like I have said in my other two videos that I have recorded today, just ignore all the band-aids, please. Just saying. Just ignore the band-aids. I'm getting beat up at work, but it's okay. I'm doing it to myself. My manager told me yesterday, stop hurting yourself. And I'm like, telling me to not hurt myself is like telling a bull not to run at something red. Yeah. She just kind of looked at me and goes, I always hurt myself. It's not on purpose. I don't want to hurt myself, but it happens. Anywho, you're not here for that. But I just wanted to say, just ignore the band-aids. Ignore the band-aids. They are not here. They are an illusion of your imagination. Anyways, guys. So, are you ready to see if I did rounds 26 through 30? Well, you probably guessed it. I did. Ready? Now, I brought a cake. Cake. I love cake. Fat kid loves cake. Anyways, the first one I will show you is mandala and nifflers. It looks so much better in this lighting. Usually when I show you guys, it looks like crap, but I prefer to do my videos in the living room in my nice comfy chair. But whatever. This is mandala, Lion Brand mandala in the colors, in the color nifflers. Beautiful. Look how beautiful. This is a new cake. I have not dipped into it yet, but I like to show the full cake, especially because I had to rewind mine into a ball because I wanted to start with the pink, because pink is my favorite color. So can you not tell? So the first one is in nifflers. Oh, let me tell you the specs if you don't know. It is 5.3 ounces, 150 grams, 590 yards, or 540 meters. Machine washable and dryable, 100% acrylic. Lightweight number 3. Wash up to 105 or 40, 105 Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius. Lightweight number 3, 5 millimeter crochet hook or 3.75 millimeter knitting needles. And it is nifflers. So pretty. Oh, so pretty. So there is the nifflers. Ta-da! There is that. And here is my ball. After this, I don't even know what's next, because it's like the tealy blue, and it's gonna go to blue, like a blue. I'm not sure what's next. So we're gonna green, blue. Guessing the next one's gonna be purple after the blue, but I don't know. Mine, I did cut off the purple because there was like a tiny stripe of purple, and then it went to pink. Like I said, I wanted to start at the pink, so I cut off the purple and I'm going to use it later. Okay. Here are rounds 26 through 30. So next week's will be 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. So ready, steady. There we go. Look how pretty that is. Love, 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 love how it's turning out. And I wanted it to look like a flower, so that is one of the reasons I chose the pink to start. It has given me lotus vibes, which I am okay with because lotus are beautiful. So you can see the green here and then to the blue. So you have these like little fans, which is cool. Part of it's green, part of it's blue. On most of them. This one is both green, green, green. So there's slight color changes, but it's not crazy noticeable. I mean, like here you can see these ones are pink, but then here, whoops, here, here, here are yellow. So that was a color change. I just looked for a second because I was like, wait, did I press start? Because I was like, please don't tell me I didn't press start. That would have been horrible, but I did. So yes, that is Nifflers. Now mine may look a bit smaller than Missi's because they are. Even though we are using the same yarn, we are using different size hooks. I like mine more tight. The stitches, you see right here, all these single crochets are very tight. I just like tighter stitches, so I'm using a 3mm crochet dots. Hold on. There you go, 3mm crochet dots. And I'm actually using it on both because they are both lightweight 3. So I'm gonna hold this out so you guys can see. All the detail. There you go. And there's that one. So pretty. It's so pretty. It's absolutely gorgeous. But yes, there's that one. And the second one I am doing in this Christmas Classics Christmas cake. It is called Elf. Actually, you can see the color is actually really nice in here. Usually you can't because, you know, it's dark in the living room. But in here I have a ceiling fan with a light. In the living room I just have lights in the corners, and there are lamps, and the lampshades are like a yellow hue, so that's why it looks crazy. And then also I have a ring light in here as well, so that's why it looks better in here. Anyways, so Christmas Classics. There's not a lot of information on these, but that's okay. Approximately 150 grams. Now this is where it's wrong in my opinion, because you'll hear 540 meters, but 501 yards. Usually it's the other way around, where there's more yardage than there is meterage. So something got messed up, which is fine. Happens. 100% acrylic, made under license in Turkey. 4mm knitting needles. There is no crochet hook. Machine washable up to 30 degrees Celsius. Do not iron. It says do not dry, but it's 100% acrylic. You can tell me dry. Do not bleach. And like I said, it is Elf. Now I got 10 of these, so I should have enough to make the blanket. I'll show you those colors one more time. Now this has a shorter stripe than the mandala. So the color changes are a bit more noticeable, but I don't mind. I'm not color controlling at all, as you can tell. No. That's not who I am. I let the colors flow. Let it flow. Okay, sorry about that. I had a notification. And there we go. And you can see how short the color changes are, which, like I said, is fine by me. This is coming out a little peachy pink, but it's more of that cream color. See? It's just the red reflecting off of it. I'm loving it, but I know a lot of people don't like how harsh some of the color changes can be, but I do love it. Like you can see here, it ended this and you got to the deep red. And then it's going to go to gray is my next color. And that is the Christmas one. Isn't it pretty? I think it's pretty. A lot of people love the Nifflers one. I get more comments about the Nifflers one, but I said this one's for me, so I don't mind. I think it's beautiful. So there's that. Those are my two Mandala Madness, or as Missy has fondly named them, M&M. It's our M&M cow. Mandala Madness. Mandala Madness. Yes. Twisted Thursday Mandala Madness. Can you believe it? Already up to round 30. Wow. How time is flying. Now there is 111 rounds. So we still have a while, and as it gets bigger, probably won't be a lot. Oh, hold on. Okay, guys, sorry about that. Do I remember where I was? Nope, I don't remember. It's been seconds for you, possibly just 1 second. But for me, it's been like 20 minutes, so I don't remember where I was. I do apologize. Hubby had a question for me and all of that fun stuff, so anyways, I believe the video is done. If you have not, go check out Missy's video, and one more quick look at where they are now. Ta-da! Anyways, guys, I hope you are having a good one whenever you are seeing this. Please take care of yourself, and don't forget, one small act of kindness, you never know what somebody's going through, even if it's just a simple smile or a simple hello. That may just be what they need for today. See you in the next one, guys. Love you.